So we've been using this around the house, just in little jobs. I would love to do my car, but it's kind of looking like it's gonna rain out there, and so that ain't gonna happen. But I think I might store this in my car, because with kids, they always spill crackers. What is it? You get sports events, they always get crackers. Anyway, there are crackers on this couch. The kids are not allowed to eat on the couch. So I'm gonna do this really quick. These attachments pop on so easy and quick. I love that. Okay, let's just see. One thing I'm finding, I push the button and it doesn't instantly turn on. You have to hold it down. That's the only thing I really don't like about this.
It says in the instructions, it tells you 3 seconds to come on. And then press it again and get a higher speed.
Yeah. I don't know what it is. I don't know if you could hear. You push and hold for 3 seconds, and then if you wanted to go higher, like more guts, I would say, more power, you tap it again, and it'll change from green to yellow, and that is like a higher sucking green. You can also use it to blow things like a air mattress. So I'm just gonna blow on this like a regular blow and then show you how hard this actually blows. Okay?
It was kind of funny though.
No, it wasn't. So this is low. And this is high. So it's blowing the whole trunk and everything. Oh. It blew him off. This is low. High. Okay, so I really like this. Like I said, I'm probably going to keep this in the car for kid messes. Like, you always have something. And I think it would save me having to go to the big vacuuming thing all the time. I go about once a month. This would save that a lot because I just don't want my car having crumbs in it. Like I said, the only thing and it's not really a dislike, to be honest, is I'm used to, like, you push something on, you push something off. And the holding 3 seconds is not a big deal. That's my only... It's not even a dislike. It's an inconvenience. 3 seconds is an inconvenience, y'all. That's it. Like, I mean, seriously, this thing is super powerful. I mean, you saw it suck off the ash from the fireplace. That stuff doesn't come off. Like, that stuff is horrible to try to get off. So even if you just use this around your fireplace, like, that alone is enough. I'm just saying. Everything comes off super easy. I mean, like, there's like a little lock mechanism. It's like a hook. Mm-hmm. You just twist it. And it's not like you use a ton of force. And then to dump it, you literally pull out this little contraption and shake this over your garbage can and then dump out this. The other thing I like is I had my hand on it. There's nothing under because there's like a one-way tube. Like, there's a little flap so things can't fall back out. Like, if it gets too full, things can't fall back out, which I love because sometimes when you take those out, it like everything falls out and you're like, oh my gosh. Everything has little you can see on this little hooks. It hooks in super easy. I'm gonna see if this works. I don't even know if this bag has a hole in it, to be honest, but we're gonna see here.
Give me a second. I want to get a close up of it.
Okay. It's sucking the plastic in. So So that was on low, y'all. That is crazy. So none of our vacuums fit on this. I sent my niece a really fluffy winter jacket for Christmas. And I was trying to find one of these bags to send it in. They don't make these ones anymore where you can stick a vacuum to it. They have to have a special tool. I could have used this if I had it at that time, and I didn't. So anyways, that is going to come in super handy because none of my vacuums do that anymore. So in real time, David thought of this, and we went and grabbed this, and you saw it. Like, we hadn't tested this. When I review products, I don't try them first. Oh, it's not going to work. I'm not going to show this. We didn't know if this was going to work or not. We had no idea. So I honestly test products. I don't like, oh, I'm not going to show. I'm going to show. Anyways, cool little tool. And it doesn't weigh very much. And it has a cool little bag. So literally, I'm going to stick all these parts in the bag. All right, guys. Thank you for checking out this review. All the information you need is in the description below. From my living room to yours. I hope you guys clean up your mess. God bless.